Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to access ChatGPT 4 for free. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to po.com/GPT-4. Once you're now here, you're going to need your details, or to input your details. First, let's start by inputting our phone number. Once done, click on Go. In here, input the verification code sent to your phone number. Once done, click on Verify. Or if you do not have your phone number, you could also use to log in with Google. Input your email address, then click on Go. In here, you will need to input the code sent to your email. Once done inputting the code, press Verify. Then in here, click on GPT-4. As you can see, we are now using GPT-4 from po.com/GPT-4. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.